How to make font size bigger in Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to make font size bigger in Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to launch settings application on your Android device and scroll down. Navigate to the option of display and brightness. But before that, you can easily see the font size is quite small. When you tap to open it, you will need to scroll down and look for the option of font and open it. Here you will see the font size option. Simply use the slider and you can easily increase the font size. At the top, you can easily view the preview. Once you are done, you need to tap on apply button at bottom center of your screen. Further, you can even choose the font style as well. You can go ahead and tap on more and then see all the font style available on your Android phone. To apply, you need to tap on apply button. So tap on apply once you are done and then successfully your font size will be bigger in Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.